Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses, for DIY, for different type of home decor items and many more creativities. Before going into the further details, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you're watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And we never intend to reclaim someone else's work as our own work. The basic purpose and intent and motive of making videos and sharing these design ideas with you is to share some creativity with respect to hand embroidery designs. So, guys, I hope that you are liking the design ideas. In order to make a very beautiful and new collection, specifically onto borderline embroidery patterns, is in the continuation of my previous videos, which you have loved a lot and liked a lot and requested me to share more creative and beautiful patterns of borderline embroidery. So, guys, these beautiful patterns of borderline embroidery could be made onto your dresses, onto your sleeves, borders, trousers, pants borders. Even you can embroider these patterns onto your home decor items like bed sheets, cushion covers, pillow covers, any type of sheets, tablecloths. Even you can embroider them onto your towels as well. So I hope that you are liking the ideas and design collections of today's video. So don't forget to like and leave comments below my video. On our daily basis, we try our best to share amazing, creative, and beautiful ideas with you. I hope that you like the ideas and design patterns of today. So stay tuned for the more and new upcoming videos. Until then, take care. Keep supporting us, keep loving us, keep watching our content as you always have been. And with your love and support, we have reached